Morning guys! So today is day 2 of like meetings and workshops at school, and today we are doing team building on the beach, which me and Jay are so excited about because we haven't seen the beach in our like town yet, so we're all gonna go on a giant bus. I'm gonna try and vlog as much as I can today, so hope you guys enjoy. Nelly! Hello! Yep.
Great. Hello.
What's that?
Oh, that's such a great angle.
I know, it's so flat.
Jeremy's now in this video too. I'm waiting for the band to like hit us.
Is it?
Oh, oh, oh! Huh.
What?
Great aircon system.
It's a fancy ass bus. It's so easy.
That's amazing. Back now from the beach. It was such a beautiful day and just palm trees everywhere, and you guys have seen already. And then we just went to our friend's place because they have a pool, so we've just been chilling there. I'm actually gonna go do some yoga and have a hot shower, maybe have a nap. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and seeing I don't have pants on, they can't see that.
Yeah, what about our neighbors?
I hope you guys enjoyed tonight. I mean today. We're so glad that we found a beach that's close to where we live, and yeah, this place is just, it's beautiful and it's home, and we're really happy. And I'll see you guys soon.